Welcome back to another video. It's Matt back here, and today we're going to be unboxing this Movo universal cardioid microphone that costs around $25 today. It's compatible with phones, tablets, laptops, and stereotypical vlogging cameras. Here we got some basic information. You can also get a 2-year warranty via activating the thing. So on the back of the box, please don't activate the back of this box, for you don't want to activate my mom's mic for warranty without her permission. I will not be doing a demo audio test of this mic because it's my mother's, and she has a very strict rule about reading the instructions first. Alright, so as you can tell here, we get our basic package contents, which include some, these look like maybe the instructions, or yeah, I'm gonna get nothing left in the box, so we'll just put that to the side. This is a weird furry thing. What is this? This is a little booklet thingy. Here we've got this weird camera placement thingy, as well as this other camera placement thingy. You get 2 of these apparently, which help to replace it for cameras. Replace it on cameras. This is a little cable here from headphone jack to headphone jack. And this is another one. And I'm seeing a whole lot of other stuff, but not yet a mic. So we're just going to go ahead and see where the mic is in this little handy dandy little carrying case. Well, I guess this little furry thing is the mic. So as you can tell, you can just connect this and then connect it via a lightning port to the phone via this dongle, because everything requires dongles nowadays. So I'll go and plug it into the lightning port of my phone. Which I'm recording with right now. So right now I'm holding it up, so I don't know. I can't tell if there's an audio quality difference, but this is just a quick sample test. So please follow me on please check out my Twitter and Instagram profiles, links below in the description. Please check out my website as well as my other 2 channels. And please subscribe to this channel so I can get one step for monetization. Please like so that my videos can get ranked higher and the YouTube algorithm, so that way I can have more people subscribe, see my videos, and please share to promote my content. And I guess that is all for today, and peace out.